I'm not stupid. I just don't waste energy on unnecessary things. He works 8 hours a day just to buy food. I sit by the window, and food appears. Humans run in the morning to feel happy. I run because I already am. They call me slow, but I'm never late. Maybe you're just rushing too much. Humans pay for therapy. I just scream. Same result. I change colors to survive. Humans change personalities to be liked. Strange creatures. We sleep, we eat, we enjoy the sun, and somehow, we're the primitive ones.